Gmod, we're doing it again. Like, again.
Yeah, I'm with Deviant, aka Retro Gaming.
I don't know what to call you. Yeah,
Retro
you have different
Reboot.
usernames.
Retro
I don't know
Gaming
what to
was a
call
dumb
you.
name.
Huh?
Retro Gaming was my old name.
Who gave you your old name? What?
Retro Gaming was my old name.
Oh. I've always used the nickname O Double Trouble. Ever since I was 5 when I got an Xbox. That's what I used as my profile name. I tried doing Double Trouble and I spelled it correctly, didn't work. Tried doing Double Trouble, spelling it incorrectly with the U and the U in trouble, where I just basically took out the O. That was already taken also, so then I just added an O in front, and then that was fine. So then from there on out, my name has become O Double Trouble. Yeah, there's a story behind my name. Not very creative at all.
That's how you got the start of our names. Yay!
Okay, we're doing a thing. Apparently I'm Hunter. Okay, Hunters win. I rule this game.
Gosh darn it, Owen! I'm now a hunter.
You're welcome.
I'm gonna be a hunter.
Yeah, I know. You should always choose the class they don't want to be. This is how this always works.
No, I choose hunter, and then I'm hunter.
Never choose what you actually want to be. Okay. Also, wait. Oh god.
Fine, you can hide as a little prop, but you have to move around a lot. And give each other hints at the start of the round, since there's always 5.
It's amazing.
3, 2.
Oh my god, what is that?
2 and go. Turn after you.
Oh god. Oh my god, this is a horrible idea. Oh my god. Oh no. Don't do it. Be like my brothers.
Where are you?
Be like my brothers. I praise you. I praise you, my friend.
Have you seen the don't open the door meme?
Yeah. I'm bowing down.
What's next?
This is so stupid. Hello, my brothers.
Am I near you?
I don't know. It's so stupid. I don't know. I'm tall. I'm too tall, so I can't crouch and like look under the map and do that. Hello, my little bug friend. I bow down to you. What am I doing right now?
I honestly don't know. I don't see you.
Like, what am I doing right now that I've talked about?
Bowing down?
Nope, before that too. Like, what am I doing right now? It involves computer and OBS. Oh god.
Recording?
Yeah.
An RPG.
I wonder where that is. God, look at the lights. Those look weird. Ooh, that looks cool. Oh, you guys see that? It's like spikes. Turn like that, it's like spikes that way. Turn like that, it's like spikes that way. That's cool. Oh, and then I do this and it gets worse. Okay, also, why is my arm spiky? Oh, dang. You have words above your... Oh my god. Not even right now. I have a rocket launcher. Wait, stay still. I have a rocket launcher. I have a rocket launcher. What does it even say? I have a rocket launcher. Something. Oh god.
Are you in the recording, please?
Maybe. 50. I can't read your name. Stop moving. I have a rocket launcher. Your argument is invalid. No. 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 Cooper? Okay, I'll give you one hint. I can bow. Woo!
You're one of the medic things.
Yeah, whenever you look around, you like it moves your entire character. I was just moving my camera up and down, and it looked like I was bowing to the other people and to that weird like animal thing. It looked like I was bowing.
I'll be hiding in the kitchen.
Kitchen? Okay, I do not know the layout of this map, so I'm just gonna guess. Also, let me make sure I'm recording. Yeah, I'm recording. Okay, just making sure. I've done that before, where I've thought I was recording and not actually. It sucks, and I hate it. Boom, 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 boom.
Okay, so you go to your
Bruh.
right when you spawn.
And then I use font.
No, you go to your right. The kitchen's there. I'm not in the kitchen. I'm in the cafeteria place.
Cafeteria, kitchen, same place. Don't meme open inside.
Oh my god, I see you. I see you.
Don't open.
Did you see the
memes
clickbait thing?
inside.
Have you seen the clickbait thing?
Oh my god. I can't open the door. How do you open the door?
You can't.
Oh.
It's literally impossible to open the door.
Hey. Hello, my brother. You baby doll.
No, I'm not.
Oh.
I'm not in that room, Owen.
I'm in the kitchen.
I'm not in the kitchen. I said I was in the cafeteria place.
The cafeterium?
Look at the cafeteria place.
Okay, that moves. The cafeteria place. Where's the freaking cafeteria?
There you are. There you are. I see you.
Bruh!
No!
Oh, I hit you?
Oh, okay, move.
Okay, I thought I just killed myself and that was it.
Spot.
Dude, I shot you at first, but it didn't do anything. I missed.
You missed both shots.
Exactly.
Tell me where you are.
I bow to you. Hocha! Hocha! Right now I'm just standing in front of you bowing. I am... Oh, I don't know where I am. Can I go in here? Okay, okay, I'm trying to open doors. What's this? Wait, oh god. Untextured
What?
things. Oh no. Bad things happening. Oh god, I wish I could see how I looked. I don't really know how to explain it. Except for, box testing. Box testing. Testing! Beep. Beep.
Through the trash can!
Cold.
Oh, no.
Cold. Warmer. Colder. I don't even see you anymore. My god. Look at them boxes. Dang it. Was I backwards?
Wrong way around.
Yep, I knew it. I knew I was backwards. I hate that. I don't know if there's a button. Like, I'm pretty sure there's a button to see, like, to turn off auto-rotate or whatever it is. Next time I'm probably going to press all the buttons on my keyboard and see which one does it. If it is even any.
You missed it! I was right in front of you!
No, I wasn't. Oh. Stupid.
Come on!
Get wrecked.
Give me a chance!
Get wrecked. Oh, dang. Ooh. What was that? Oh. All the buttons. Wait. Wait. Oh. Oh. Don't press M.
What happened?
Don't press M.
Why?
What's
a gas mask?
Huh? Oh.
It's a gas mask.
Please tell me I can be this. Oh, dang it.
What? What was it?
Oh god, I haven't even chosen
In
something.
the bathroom?
It was maybe a poop emoji. Maybe not. He'll never notice. Shh. Oh, look at the reflection. That's cool. Like the floor. That's cool. Oh god. He'll never notice. Where are your ideas come from? Stupid. No.
Also, Owen, the rocket launcher's like right here.
I don't know where you are. So.
Wait, are you in the bathroom?
Yes. My gender classifies as male, so I'm in the male bathroom. You kidding me? I was that trash can.
I landed it!
Oh! Who lives in a pineapple under a sea?
Go, 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 go,
DJ
Power Rangers.
Just all the wrong answers.
Oh, I sounds fun to be this.
Future me, putting
I can't go back. There's not enough time.
Future me, put some words or something right here so that it's not just a black screen. Like, I don't know, say hi.
Don't see me, don't see me, don't see me.
You kidding me?
No!
Cooper, you can't even hide. Dang it, I lost you. Where the heck are you?
No! I see you. So small.
Where the heck did you go?
Right here. Behind you.
That's amazing. The shirt room.
On the floor.
Oh my god. I can't.
No!
Oh my god!
Please no! No!
What? Oh my god, I shot the cash register too many times. I shot the wrong cash register.
Death sound. I added the death sound, so
oh my god.
Die, it'll be just oof.
I like that.
I'm gonna amplify that. I'm gonna make it an ear rape.
I got this, guys. Look at this. Oh, just gonna drop that. Okay.
Hey, Owen. Future Owen. Make sure every single black screen on this game is filled with words.
Is what?
Filled with words.
Filled with words? I will try. I will fail horribly, but I will try.
Found a guy.
A baguette. I'm just gonna put, like, hi on every single one of them. I saw
Where are you?
I
Like,
saw
where are you? You have to tell me where you are.
I don't see you anymore.
You were in there.
Money, Batmaid. Batmaid. Money, Batmaid. There, no copyright there. Didn't say anything. Money, Batmaid.
Are you in here?
I don't know, am I? Ah! Oh, was that cash register right in front of you? Was I facing the wrong way?
I flew out the door.
Yeah. Was I facing the wrong way?
Yes, you were.
Dang it.
I'm gonna grab this.
It has been 13 minutes and 10 seconds.
Can we record this for like an hour?
I mean, no one's gonna really want to watch an hour-long video of just some random guy they don't know. I'm probably gonna record like a 20-minute clip, stop the recording, play it again, or then like start it back up. And then I'll schedule those for the weekend instead, since I'm not gonna record on the weekend.
Please.
I walked past you, didn't I?
Oh.
Just like YouTube headquarters or something.
Please, no, my chance.
You stuck.
Yes.
What room? Are you like majorly screwed up, like as in like so stuck that it? Okay. So basically, me anytime I'm trying to hide, it's a prop. I am hearing noises.
You pushed me in. You pushed the box. Can you at least push me out so I have a chance?
What do you mean?
I'm the box.
What box? I don't care.
Ow!
Where are you? Oh!
It's that box. Wrong box! Don't shoot me, push me out so I have a chance. Please, so I have a chance.
Can you please die already?
That's not me! No!
Oh, that was you. I didn't even know which one you were. They both looked out of place.
Wait, which way was it?
It was straight up.
You want to change to the office now?
Sure. Office.
Pringles!
Made. Yep, not sponsored. Hashtag not sponsored by Pringles.
And who would ever sponsor us?
Pringles.
Oh, okay, I'm gonna go get something to.
My first sponsor was. Oh my god, that would be amazing. I would like literally die. Also, what? Singing a storm.
Please say I'm the hunter.
Really crazy singing. Bam, 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 bam. Really bad singing, yeah. Trying to make up for the loss of time. It's taking forever to load. My computer crashed earlier and don't know why. Something, 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 something. More words to fill in the void of no words. Boom, 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 boom. Blech.
Wait,
My song, copyright, can't use it. No, it's fine. Boom, boom. Actually, I wonder if that's a 2. I wonder. As far as I know, it's completely mine. I don't know. As far as I know, I just told. Dang it! Oh yeah, hunters win. So I just won. And then I'm going to join the pop team.
Yeah, that's
but I just gotta win. Oh, I saw you. You are a baby. I know this map like the back of my face. That makes perfect sense, right? No! Oh, you can! Oh my god! It actually works.
What?
Dude. I didn't think it could be. Oh, I'll tell you afterward. I'm in a good place, actually. You should probably read about it. Dang, that was too good.
We played this map yesterday.
That was too.
By the time it's posted, it might be 2 days ago.
So, guess what?
What?
Do any of these books look off to you? Oh my god, am I actually the right way? I'm the right way. I didn't think you could be the books, but you can. Oh my god. Yep, I was that one.
Oh, you weren't the right way, by the way.
Yeah, I thought so.
I just didn't see you at first.
It's a 1 out of 4 chance. Oh my god. Boom, boom,
boom.
Okay.
Okay, now's my chance. I must run.
I must run. I must run. I must
oh my
run
god, it actually worked.
You are. I must run.
Let's see who you are.
I must run. I must run to find where you are. I must run. I must run. Waiting. Waiting. I am waiting.
If you remember anything from yesterday, of course you'll remember this. Oh, when I'm in the spawn room. Wrong.
I saw your name. Ah! It flashed your name for a second, and I'm like,
you shot me.
I was about to say something, but I don't remember what it was.
Okay,
I'm gonna whatever.
This time, use the shotgun.
Okay, oh god. Oh my god, I can't even right now. Oh my god, I haven't even moved. Oh my literal gosh. No. No! Oh, I'm stuck. No, it's consuming me! Okay, there. It was consuming me at first.
What was?
There's nothing wrong. No. My brother! Brother, no! The couch started to consume me. I accidentally became a table, and then it just started swallowing me. started engulfing me. Oh, brother, no, no.
Jack, where are you?
I am a brother. Lollipop, lollipop. Oh! You didn't see that. Dang it.
I had to do it. I couldn't have shot
I was a
you.
can behind the couch. Okay, I'm gonna end this recording here. Remember to like, share, and some subscribe. Yep, I can speak. And all that other stuff. I don't know. Whatever. Just beep. That was a bad beep. I'm going to retry that.